if your Spotify playlist doesn't show the song you've added, it doesn't show the list of the songs that you've added, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So I was able to fix this problem. As you can see now, my Spotify playlist just showed the songs that I've added. As you can see, the list of songs in my Spotify playlist, but before it was like this. So to fix this issue, I just went to the browser. On the browser, just change your country or region. So just go to spotify.com/account, log in on your browser, and make sure you update your country or region. Or if you're using a VPN, as I was using a VPN and connected to the USA servers, and I just changed the country or region to make sure it matches the one which my VPN is connected to a server. So, or if you're located to a different country, then traveled maybe to another country, make sure you update your country or region. If you've updated your country or region and you're still facing the same problem, then just make sure to update your payment method. So you can update your payment method by just going to your account. Just go to spotify.com/account, and you'll see the option to update your payment method. Also, if you created your account with Facebook or Apple, you also need to change your country or region settings with those services. So the problem here is make sure you update your country or region to where you are located. Make sure it matches to where you are located. Or if you're using a VPN, make sure it matches the country or region to the VPN server which you are connected to. So for me, after changing the country or region, the Spotify playlist started showing up. So make sure you update your country or region, or if you're still facing the same problem, make sure you update your payment method. If you're using Spotify Premium, enter a new payment method that was issued in your new country or region. So this will help you fix this problem if your Spotify playlist isn't showing up. Also, you may try to update your Spotify app by just going to the Play Store and make sure you're using the latest version of the Spotify app. So if you do this, you'll be able to fix this problem and your Spotify playlist will start show up. But I'm 100% sure that you won't see the Spotify playlist because you haven't updated your country or region. You can just go to spotify.com/account and then make sure you edit your profile on a browser and not the mobile app. And you'll be able to, because on the mobile app, you can't update your country or region. So make sure you use the spotify.com/account on the browser, and you'll be able to change your country or region. You can also need to update your payment method, and after that, your Spotify playlist will start showing up. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.